Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about our favorite pieces of furniture on Amazon. You guys, this is from ZINUS. It's their Ricardo Tufted couch. This is just ultra classic, right? This is exactly what you think of when you think of just your couch, you know? Like, it's gonna be comfortable and beautiful, modern, and it's gonna fit any style whatsoever. Even if you are changing up your decor, this is gonna be something that will move with you, change with you, adapt with you. It's just a great basic staple. It's like your white blouse, you know, it can go with anything. You can style this in any way you want. There's several different colors. They are all gonna look great in any space, totally timeless, which is good because they're gonna last you a really, really long time. These are crazy durable, totally highest of all high quality woven material on the outside, foam on the inside, and a really, really sturdy, strong constructed base. So when you get this, probably the coolest thing about this, and something that I think we're all becoming more aware of, ordering furniture online is awesome, but putting it together sometimes is not so awesome. So you want to find things that are easy to assemble. And you guys, this couch is it. This is your choice for if you don't love putting stuff together, you don't want a bunch of tools. This is perfect for you because it is tool-free assembly, no tools, nothing extra required. All your packaging is gonna come in a box. It's gonna tell you exactly what to do. You can have it out of the box, ready to go, totally, you know, assembled and just looking amazing in your living room in under 20 minutes. So you guys, that's incredible. It's gonna last forever. It's gonna look great. It's gonna look great with anything. They've got several colors. Go ahead, put this in your cart, upgrade your couch. You're gonna be so glad that you did.